I do. I did. I cannot read the what's the hello to million in the house, mega love shout out. Hindi ko makita yung ano nila. Wait. Hello Kuya Ramon, Pabiluna, mega shout out sa iyo. Hello kapatid Mama Sita Nicole, mega love shout out. Mega shout out din sa iyo Kuya. Ayan. Hello Silver Sweets 176, mega love shout out. Ayan, nandito tayo sa Chicago guys. Ito yung view natin sa ano, sa front. Ayan. Hala, meron akong night boat pala dito. Sana all my night boat. Salamat sa pagpunta. Mabilis lang ako mag-ano, Kuya Ramon. Thank you so much sa pagpunta. Update lang ako. Kasi, ano, nandito pa ako sa travel. Good morning sa'yo, Kuya Ramon. Ayan, nood habang hintay kasama ko gawa ng tiles si Sana All nagawa ng tiles, Kuya. Nakalimutan ko mag-share sa live ko sa community ko. Well, mag-open ako ng ng another account ko. Thank you so much. May jacket ka ba, Kuya? Oo, kasi alam na may jacket kaya. Ayan. I-move muna natin konti. Ayan. Ganun, para makita yung mga boat. Share ko muna ito. Copy link. Tapos punta tayo sa community natin. Mega shout out. Wait, community. Hindi pala ako maka-open ng community. Ayan. I tried to mute but I don't know where. This is my second time what's that, babe? I live for my direct live because I always using StreamYard.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
This is just directly live?
Yeah, just direct.
Are you still live?
Yeah. I tried to find the mute but I cannot find.
If you just
And then comment. I cannot find the comment also. Oh, I find Kuya Ramon. He comment like kanina. Still 4 minutes. So, anuhin natin yan. Bilisan natin yan. I'm gonna share first in my I just live for 30 minutes maybe. Not too long. I'm gonna find some music first. No copyright music. So Evan waiting something. So we have some music. Mega shout out dyan sa 3 million in the house. Thank you so much. Ganda ng views, kapatid. Oo kuya, sa front namin yan, dito sa hotel namin. Meron pa nga mga boat yan kuya. First time ko nag-direct ng live. Long time na. Thank you so much yan sa 3 million. Lagi na ako makita sila kung sino yan sila. Pamsaktan kapatiwa, ang linis ng paligid, amazing. Thank you so much kuya. Oo, sobrang linis kuya. Super. Mega shout out dyan, Dad. My Nicole. Hi Dad. Yes, Dad is watching.
Hi, Dad.
Hello Dad. So I'm gonna show you that this is the view. We have some boat in
Hi,
here.
Dad. Wish you were here.
Look at that.
Boats.
Yes.
Look at the boats out there.
That is watching.
Sweetheart, how do I make the highlighted name? Like how to make my highlighted my name? They sent me a message. Like,
Make sure, for example, Dad is watching your video. Like, you can shout out saying what that speed and you need pictures the same. Like mine Nicole, it's gonna be color orange.
so I just say my people.
Yeah. 4 million mega love shoutout. Thank you so much guys. Ayan, kung sino man kayo mega love shoutout. I'm gonna switch you which switch. That we already see the bin. We walk around in the bin. Hi Mike Nicole, we are chilling by the lake. Sabi niya, Silver Sweets 176. Miga love shoutout Mike Nicole. Watching hockey.
What's the neck box say? I don't know what she's saying.
That's only my, what's that?
But she's talking to me. I don't know what-
Okay, just leave her alone. Just only a robot.
Oh, really?
Chilling? Did you read that what he's saying? We're gonna put some bubbles. My sister, Mamasita Nico, so nice and beautiful surrounding. Thank you so much, Kuya Ramon Pabiluna. Hi, Mamasita sister. 3 tired girls here. It's true. I'm super tired. Mega shoutout dyan kay Barbella TV, Kigo. Good morning. Keep safe, Kibo, and with your family. Thank you so much. Update lang ako kasi alam mo naman si Kigol, oo, nasa vacation, kaya ito yung view namin ngayon, Kigol, sa harap ng hotel. Tingnan mo, 24 nandoon yung sa ibaba, oh. Kami sa 24 floor. O, diba? Mega shout out dyan kay Sis Ambot na lang. Thank you so much. Good morning. Iday Pangga, mega shout out daw, sabi ni Kuya Ramon Pabilaw na. Thank you so much guys sa pagpunta nyo and good morning. Kanindot diha, oy. Oo sis, nandito kami sa Chicago sis. Nag-vacation kami. Tapos ito yung namin, view namin sa harap. Mega shout out Kuya Ramon, sabi ni Barbilla TV. At saka meron tayong boat dito, o di ba? Lagi tayo magkikita sa LS Kuya Ramon. Supportive kasi kayong dalawa, kaya palagi kayong nagkikita. Tapos nandoon yung o di ba? Nasa baba ang mga sasakyan natin, guys. Charot. Sana o sige rag vacation. Karon ra pod ni sis, naka-vacation. Let me say hello to Mamasita sister. What's her name? Her name is Ambut. Ayan. Yes, my sister. No. Pataka rag ambot. Dili man gud ambot. Pataka ra akong ba nag-ingon. Gana siya tan-awon kay naa siya sunset. Dali ra ko mag-live guys. Update lang ang lula niyo, no? Abang na lang kayo sa primer, charot. Ayan guys, maglaba tayo. O, diba, may bubbles. Ka-nice. Oo. Super nice. Mama sister ko, your husband is there with you? Yes, Kuya Ramon. With my mother-in-law. Tapos yung niece niya, kasama namin. Keep safe everyone. Thank you so much, Kigo. You too. Amping-amping kanunay. Hi, sweetheart. Mega shoutout sa'yo, Dad. Mike Nicole. How are you, Dad? Haha. Oh, English pa ka dito. Kasi ang mga kasama ko, mga Amerikano at American. Thank you so much, guys. Sa inyong pag-anhi-anhi. Diba? Nata sa Chicago, pero na naglaba na yung mga bubbles. Hi, Papa Mike Nico. Sabi ni Silver Sweets 176. Ayan, be a good boy. Nosebleed ako, oy. Oo, manosebleed yung kadiri kay naadiri ang pamilya. How's my bubbles, Dad? Is Nightbot your sister? No, it's a robot, Dad. It's a robot. Tanggalin natin yung Hi, Sir Jerry Rosales. Good morning, sir. Ayan, thank you so much sa pagpunta. Nag-update lang ako, sir, oy. Update din pag may time. Okay, nandito tayo ngayon sa Chicago. Ayan, ito yung harap natin today. At saka of course, nandoon yon sa baba yung ala, bakit walang sasakyan? Naubos na? Mega shoutout dyan, Christine Joy, Villacorta, Idilor. Thank you so much, Sisi. Good morning, good morning. Bring me a bin. I will. I love beans, sabi ni Dad. Ayan.
Oh, she's pointing right down the road.
6 million. Thank you so much. Mega love shoutout po sa inyong lahat. Thank you. Wow, kanay sa view. Oo, sis. Sa harap na muna sa hotel sa Chicago. Wow, na yung star. Sino yung nagpakulay? Thank you so much for your stars. Wow, thank you so much, sis Liana in Singapore. Thank you, sisi ko. Good morning. Thank you so much for your superstar. Ayan. Salamat guys sa inyong pag-support. Update ramang ko, oy, kay wala na ako naka-live. Diba? Thank you so much, sis Liana. Makulay ang buhay. Ayan. Ibalik na natin sa dating daan. Anong oras na ba ngayon? 7 o'clock na pala dito ng gabi. Ayan, i-zoom natin yan. Thank you so much sa inyong lahat dyan sa 5 million. Ayan guys, baka may gagawin pa kayo guys. Unahin nyo muna ang importante. Oo. Kasi ako nag-update lang ako. 1 minute. Ayan. Guys, pakitusok naman kay Sir Kigol. Kigol. Kay Sir Jerry Rosales. Kay Bao. Ayan, premier yun. Mamaya puntahan ko yan, tusukin ko yun. Yun oh, sabi niya. Sana all ma yun oh. Ayan guys, pwede kayo magbaba ng bahay. Sinong may premier, ibaba nyo na. Para matusok. Pero ako, mamaya na ako magtusok, ha? Kung sinong gusto magbaba ng bahay, guys, magbaba lang kayo. At saka pakitamsak. Cellphone man ako gigamit karon guys sa pag live. First time na ako nagamit og cellphone sa live. Unsa man ni save highlight, share, mute microphone. Hindi na nato i-mute ang microphone. Ayan guys, thank you so much sa 5 million dyan. 30 minutes naman ko mag-live guys kay hindi man ko magdugay. Mangita daw pag maayong sounds dere. Mangita tag sounds. Thank you so much guys ha sa inyong sa pag-support. I appreciate it. 10 minutes to go guys, mag-end na ako. Oo. Hindi na ako magtagal kasi mag-swimming pa kami. Yeah, perfect. 5 million, thank you so much sa patambay din. Mega shout out sis Ana TV Vlog. Dan tamsak po Madam Nicole. Thank you sis. Good morning, good morning. Salamat sa mga patamsak-tamsak nyo dyan. Ayan. At saka 30 minutes lang yung live ko guys kasi mag-swimming pa kami. Pasensya na yung guys kay banhara ba ning namag ko'y kauban diri guys na sa hotel. Wow, ang ganda dyan. Oo, maganda dito, sir. Super. Kasi ano, sa harap ng hotel. Oo. Mega shoutout dyan sa per million. Thank you so much guys.
This is the same one she stayed down on the
BG lang Kigol. Thank you so much. Inday, mag-end na pud ko. Taod-taod. 30 minutes lang na ako siya. Kaya na ay Kigol. Sana all may Kigol. Akong ba na napoy Kigol? Pistot na sounds. Mura man ay kuan, dako ay utang jud.
Yeah, it is. It's
2 minutes to go na lang guys, mag-end na ako. Thank you so much sa inyong pa-BG-BG.
yeah. Well, by the time we got here, we were hungry. We wanted to see that. So by the time we walked over there, we saw that, and then sat down and ate. All we wanted to do is get back, get this free. Yeah, we want more time than what we've got. Yeah, it's 20. I didn't tell you that. I think I did. I read it to you.
Ayan guys, thank you so much sa inyong pagpunta. Ayan, mag-end na ako. God bless po at ingat-ingat kayo palagi. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.